Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable bow in the Mini Bowdabra. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I'm going to fold it in half, and I've made it big enough so that I can tuck it into the Mini Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. Then what I'm going to do is fold each of these in half here and create my dovetails for the tail of my bow. And we're just gonna, make sure I do that in the right direction. And so now I'm gonna just fold it in half and put that down into my Mini Bowdabra. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab my next piece, and this is the swirls I want to have on the outside of my ribbon. So I'm gonna twist it, because they're a little glittery, and I wanna make sure that I have that glitter showing. So we're just gonna fold it and twist it. And just so you know, we do have a TikTok channel now, and we'd love to have you follow us on TikTok. And we'll have all kinds of fun and unique things on our TikTok channel that we don't have on our regular Bowdabra channel. So I'm just gonna fold this back over here, and I will now take my Mini Bowdabra wand to give everything a good push. And I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it really tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra, pull it out, separate my ends. And one of the nice things about this is it is a wire, so I can either tie a knot or I can just twist it a few times. And now I'm gonna just clip this tail here, a little bit there, and then I'm gonna shape my bow by just taking my loops, and I made an even number of loops on this one, so you can see. And this is a nice little bow that you can make in the Mini Bowdabra. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.